Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave.
Hi, okay. I think it's just a pallet, mate. Just one. To the back door. Okay. Hop. No, it's not this one, it's the one behind. Because I got two deliveries with the same postcode, but it's another customer. Just to double check. It's this pallet. I found it now. Pallet is fucked up. Come on. Can you reach? Thank you. Just need your signature. Just your name and your signature in this box, please.
Yep.
Thank you. Right, mate. I've got a pallet for you. 1 second. I think it's this thingy. Let me check the postcode.
Yeah, so it's
3PT. So you using the forklift or you want me to put on the tail lift?
no, I'll use a forklift.
Forklift, yeah? Okay. Right, mate?
3 minutes on.
Yeah? I'll just park my lorry here. It will be excellent to go out after that. Okay. I think it's only this one. 3 NA, yeah. That was small one. That's a nice job. The hardest part of it is to find the places. That's the hardest part of it. So secure. That one. Yeah, no problem. Just yeah.
There you go.
Thank you so much. Have a good day. Store.
Turn right onto New Shield Drive, then slide left onto East Lancashire Road.
Reception, I think is down there. Loading bay. Loading bay. Okay, loading bay. And how just gonna park there and see where they all want. Loading bay. Great. So I just went in the shop. The guy confirmed me that the job is here, because they got company name and they got any other names for no reason, and then it's just confusing everyone instead of being nice, relaxed. One name, one company. That will be, I think it's like this probably. So actually I've done it. It's this type of tail lift. Okay, so I need to bring the pallets down the tail lift and put in the shop, in the self-store or whatever is. Great. I hope the tail lift is working, because otherwise, let's see if it has any buttons here. No buttons, that means I need to connect something here, which I think I've seen in the lorry, by the way. Let's see. I've seen here somewhere. Here. This job would have been much easier if I know where the places are. So 1 1. So it must be like this. Okay, so let's. So this is up down. Okay. But in order to do this, just need to. This is okay. Okay. So the other one, up down. Okay. So I think it's that pallet on the right side, and must be another pallet. So if I drop them off, it would have been it will be much easier. It will save some time and effort. What is this? Ready store, yeah. So is this one and the one behind, I think. Okay. So imagine if I would have dropped this off, it would have been a total different time as well, and this one would have been only few pallets left. Come on, man. Pallet is very heavy. Let's see how I'll take it. I think I'll take like this. Here. Just to put the whole pump truck. Don't tell me it was better earlier. Oh, bro. It's heavier in one side, okay. That means it will make my life harder. Okay, let's try like this then. Maybe it's better like this. It's better like this, I can't believe it. Can't believe it, mate. The other way around is better. Can't believe it. Yeah, no. Okay, bring it down. The other pallet is very light, so I got lights on the tail lift as well. Interesting. Great. It's heavier in one side. Come on. So heavy. Okay, one point here. Okay, hop. Oh. Okay. Another one. Another one. It seems like all the pallets are fucked up, man. Come on. Shut the fuck up. This guy is reversing.
Some of you have patience. Some of you have kindness. Some of you have love. Some of you have a gift of long suffering. Whatever it is, whatever your gift is, what are you going to do with what you have?